What is the difference between morar and viver? I'm confused. Olá, pessoal! Hello, everyone! Welcome to this Q&A with Laura. If you're new here to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Also, you can follow me on other social media. I'm there by Sing Brazilian. The question for today is this one. What is the difference between morar and viver? I'm confused. These are two different verbs in Portuguese. Morar and viver are two different verbs in Portuguese, but they can overlap in some situations. So, in some situations, their meanings can be similar. Let me clarify these differences for you here, and in order to do that, I'm gonna share my screen. So I'm gonna give you examples of the differences between these two verbs, morar and viver. So the first one, morar, specifically refers to the act of residing or living in a place. You know, it emphasizes the location with the verb morar, okay? The example I put here for you. Eu moro em São Paulo. I live in São Paulo. So the place I reside in, I live in this place. Eu moro em São Paulo, okay? So that's the verb morar. The verb viver has a broader meaning. So it includes the act of living in a place, yeah, but it also means like the overall experience of life. So involving like different aspects of life, like emotions, experiences, activities. For example, eu vivo uma vida feliz. I live a happy life. Or you can say, for example, that person has lived for 80 years. So, a pessoa viveu por 80 anos. See, it's a broader meaning. It's different from morar. But I could say, eu vivo em São Paulo. Yes, I could say that. It also has this meaning. But it's more common to say, eu moro em São Paulo. What about you? Tell me in the comments. Onde você mora? Onde você mora? And you will say like this. Eu moro em... Eu moro no Brasil. For countries, we have to put the article. So, no Brasil. Onde você mora? Tell me there in the comments